On the board, you have your x varies directly as a product of u and v, and inversely as their sum. Now, if x is equal to 3, u equal to 3, when u equal to 3, and v equal to 1, what is the value of x if u equal to 3 and v equal to 3? Now, you see this is an expression on the board. This expression on the board, we're going to convert this to an equation. Get it into an equation. How do we do it? Now let's write it. X varies directly as the product of u and v. X varies directly as a product of u and v. Product means multiplication. So it will be u times v. This is the meaning of x varies directly as a product of u and v. And inversely as the sum. And inversely as a sum. Sum of what? Sum of this u and v. And inversely as a sum, u plus v. That's it. So this in word problem form, we've created an equation for it now on the board. You see it? Now let's solve. But there is something on the board we want us to do. This proportionality sign here, we need to remove this proportionality sign. We cannot solve using this proportionality sign in the equation. Now let's remove it. Now there's something I want you to know. In order to remove this will form two things. This sign you are seeing here, when removing this, it will form two things. Or we need to change this to two things. What are the things? We need to change it to equality sign and k, which is the constant. We change this to these two things. You see it now? We remove it and turn it to equality sign and k, which is the constant. Now look at how we do it here. Now it will be x. Instead of writing this now, replace it with this equal to and the k. Have you seen it now? Now it will be in the bracket uv, then you have your u plus v. Have you seen it now? Very simple. We turn this to this. We've removed this, turned it to this thing. We brought it here to replace this on the board. Now we have numbers there we need to substitute. They say if x is 3, when u is 3, and v is 1. Now let's work on this first one before we go to the second one. Now they said our x is 3. That means anywhere you see your x, you replace it with what? 3 equal to, they didn't give us the k, which is the constant. You have your k, open your bracket. Now what is your u? They said u is 3. 3 times, what is the v? V is 1. You close the bracket. All over, what is your u again? Your u is the same 3 plus, what is the v? 1. See now? Then we'll bring it down. 3 equal to, you have your 3 times 1 is 3. Times the k will give us 3k all over. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So to balance this equation, we put over 1 here. What's the next thing? We are looking for k. In every of these, constant is very, very important to look for. You search for your constant first. Very important. Now, we want to look where constant is subject or formula. You're allowed to arrive at our constant. What should I do? You cross multiply by saying 3k times 1 will give us 3k. So that 3 times 4 will give us 12. So we divide both sides by 3. We divide both sides by 3. We say 3 cancel 3, which is a what? Your k equal to 3 into this is 4. So we've gotten our constant, which is the most important thing. We arrive at the constant first. So whenever you have this equation given on the board, variation, whenever you're solving a variation topic, please, constant is very important. Search for your constant first in anything you do before proceeding. Now we've seen the constant. Now we're going to move to the next question. What is the value of x if u is equal to 3 and v equal to 3? Now they want us to look for the value of what? X. Now in doing this, this is our main formula. But after you've turned this into this becomes the main formula. Now this is our main formula now. We write it out here. which is x is equal to k, open the bracket, uv all over u plus v. This is the main formula here. Now they said, what is the value of x? What is the value of this x now? If u is 3 and v is 3. Now we'll bring down our x equal to, now we have k because we solve for k, which is the constant. So our k now is 4, open the bracket. Now what about u? U is 3 times, what is the v? V is 3. Then all over, what is our u? 3 plus 3. You see it now? So coming to this part, to be x equal to 4 times 3 times 3, open the bracket. 3 plus 3 will give us what? 6. Now we can cancel out. Say 3 here is 1, 3 here is 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is what? 2. So our x is 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 is the answer. Thank you.